Welcome to Python Friendly Tutorial.
Welcome to a quick dive into the basics of Python programming. First up, variables. They're used to store data values. Assign a value to a variable with the assignment operator, like so, x equals 5 or name equals John. Python supports a variety of data types: integers, floating point numbers, strings, booleans, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. But what about operators? Python has you covered with arithmetic, comparison, and logical operators. Control statements allow you to navigate your program's flow. Think if statements for loops, while loops, and try except blocks for error handling. Functions are your reusable code blocks for specific tasks. Define them with the def keyword. Python also provides built-in data structures like lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets for your data collection needs. And let's not forget, Python supports object-oriented programming or OOP concepts like classes, objects, inheritance, and encapsulation. Finally, Python's file handling capabilities allow you to read from and write to files with ease. That's Python in a nutshell. Versatile, efficient, and powerful. Stay tuned for more.